Hi, welcome back to Grow New Plants. So I did a video last week with the new Rootmaker 8 fertilizer, which is for container plants. And this is the Rootmaker 6 that I'm going to mix some of this up today. And the Rootmaker 6 is for starter plants, like for seeds, plants you're starting up from seeds, cuttings, stuff like that. This is the fertilizer you use with it. And it's a slow release fertilizer with the micronutrients already added. So I got a bag of it right here, and I'm basically just going to show you how to mix it up. And I've already got some soil mixed up here, so this is my starter soil. It's half perlite, half peat moss, and it's a 5-gallon bucket. So I'm going to kind of go over my sheet here. So we've got a 5-gallon bucket is 0.7 cubic feet, and I just pulled that off the internet, and this is what I used with the other fertilizer too. So a cubic yard is 27 cubic feet. So the percentage of a cubic yard that 5 gallons is 0.0259. And this stuff here is mixed at six pounds per cubic yard. Obviously we're not making a cubic yard of it. That would last me for 2 years probably if I made a yard of this stuff. The ounces per yard is basically 6 pounds times 16, which comes to 96. And then I just divided the amount of, well, I don't remember how I calculated, I did it on a spreadsheet, but for 5 gallons you need 2.49, so we're going to call it 2.5 ounces of fertilizer that we're going to need to put inside this mix. And then I will also show a copy of this sheet. I'll post it in the video where you can take a look at it, copy it down, or take a screenshot of it, or whatever you want to do. So, and while I'm opening this up and getting it ready to mix, I do have a discount code now. If you look down in the description of the video, there's a discount code for the Rootmaker store. You can get this fertilizer, you can get the Rootmaker 8 fertilizer, you can get any of those fertilizers now off of their website, and you get them in 10-pound bags. I had a 50-pound bag of the Rootmaker 8 because I use a lot more of that, but you can get 10-pound bags of both of them, and then you get all your trays, pots, all the grow bags, everything that Rootmaker makes, you can get on that retail website, and you can get small quantities of them. You don't have to buy a case of them or anything like that. So I'm going to turn my scale on here and put my glasses on where I can see. So I'm on pounds and ounces now, so I just want to, and I'm not even going to tear out this baggie because it's not going to weigh that much. So I'm just going to make a guess here. That is 4 ounces, that's too much. 2.8, 2.6, 2.5 ounces. So that's 2.5 ounces. So that's all this it takes for a 5-gallon bucket of this stuff. So we'll go ahead and put this away. This comes in a resealable bag too, which is kind of nice. And get our scale out of the way. So we'll move this in, and basically we're just going to dump this in here. So I talked about this some in the other video, and I'll put a link to that video up in the top. This fertilizer, you can buy the Osmocote, which is a slow release fertilizer, and you can buy the micronutrients, but the micronutrients you have to buy a huge bag of it, and it's extremely expensive, and it will last you forever because you use such a small amount of it. So this is a way better way of doing this, being that the micronutrients are already added in, so it's a one deal. You put everything in, you got everything that your plants are going to need. Makes a huge difference. So anyway, that's really about it. So I'm gonna mix this up the way I normally do, and if you watch my video when I mix my soils, and I'll put a link to that video up there too. I just put the lid back on this thing and take it and dump it around on the yard a couple times till it's mixed up good, and it's ready to go. So I'm gonna get this mixed up, and I'm fixing to start making another video and use some of this stuff. Really excited about it. I think you ought to give it a try. It works great. Thanks a lot.